times were easy, want no rhyme or reason, man, you wouldn't believe it. I'm 10 out gang in the sprinting, we're praying to God that the shit don't get thicker. Trying not to think about it, everybody knows how.
And 1, 2, 3. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, and I'm back with my favorite person in Atlanta.
Yeah, that's me. Well, I better be.
Yeah.
I better be.
Come on, ya tú sabes. Okay, so where can they find you at?
Vicky Freites _ on Instagram and Vicky Freites on TikTok.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left-hand corner. We got a couple different looks. I got this studio this time. Last time we were outside, okay? But this time we are in the studio, which she told me last time that this is her favorite place to be. So I make wishes come true.
Oh yeah, I know, and you remember that's something that I'm glad. See, extra points. Extra points for that.
So I'm going to be using the 35, all right, in this space. Nice natural light, and I'll probably use some flash at some point, but we're going to get these shots. Are you ready?
So ready, are you ready?
Are you ready?
I don't think you're ready. You're not ready for this.
I'm not ready.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
I've been given. I pray to God as a way to see the whole team. Pray to God as a way to feed the whole family. Yeah. Just the beginning, I promise my mom I'm gonna get this shit and raise no quitter. I swear to God, I'm getting it back and bringing it back, and then we're gonna split it. If I was you, I believe me. Clean as the water from Fiji. Yeah. I'm doing this for the younger me, and I bet that he wouldn't believe it now.
I'm gonna steal some shots like this. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. There we go. 1, 2. One, two. Perfect. Boom. Alright, stay right there. Nice. Alright, 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And let me turn you this way. 1, 2. You got favorite side? That's fine. Okay. Boom. So I'm gonna scoot you back this way, and then give me that side. Yeah. 1, 2. All right, 1, 2. Perfect. And then take like a couple steps to me. All right, right there. Boom. Perfect. Yeah, hold that. Perfect. Love it. And let me get a full body. Oh, I love that right there. Perfect. And then give me some like looking out there. Perfect. And then sit like on there. Yeah, and you could probably like angle your legs that way. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Is that you? Is that you? Dime. so cute. Look.
Look at this
Oh.
one. I love this one.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
That's the only reason she come outside for me, y'all.
Literally.
Yeah.
On a Saturday. Do you know how many plans those normal people have?
Right, on Saturday.
This one.
Ooh. I like that angle.
What? No, this is insane. I love this one. I really love this one. I'm not lying.
You want me to get some more like that?
No, I think that's the one.
Oh, okay.
If we take another one, it's not gonna go.
It's not gonna, oh yeah, yeah.
It's because they phase everything.
Yeah, it's giving the face. Oh. She giving everything. Oh yeah. She
This
giving
one.
it. Boom. So it's like it's super bright outside, you all. So I gotta compensate for outside. Yeah, so super bright outside. So I'm gonna put my ND filter on, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's see. I think right here is actually a good place. All right, now let's see what we get with this. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So tell us, what do you think?
Amazing. I wanted to see those pictures tonight. I'm trying to make it. Send me those pictures tonight because they're fire. I mean, you're gonna die. You're not prepared for this. So whenever you see this picture, please have like a chamomile tea and then a couch next to you because you're gonna pass out, okay? And I don't blame you because see this and also who's behind the camera because he's the one that made me look like that. It was a pleasure as always, and then you have to tell me every time you're here, like in a month in advance, please.
A month in advance. We will do that.
Think about it, everybody knows how it goes, highs and the lows, yeah.